Hello everyone. So to install Beyblade Burst app on iPhone, just go to App Store and here is the app. But bear in mind it's 1.9 gigabytes. You can just tap Get and then you need to sign in with your Apple ID or Touch ID. And then you can create, customize, and battle your Beyblade Burst tops in the Beyblade Burst app. You can go to the global multiplayer online. So yeah, this is a description. Supported devices running iOS 8 Plus. iPod Touch 5th generation Plus, iPhone 4S Plus, iPad 2 Plus, iPad Mini Plus. Yeah, and then it will take some time for the app to install. So leave your reviews of the app. Do you like it? Why do you like it? Yeah, thanks for watching.